So now, in reading the results, I'll just have to read them in the manner they are arranged here. The way the ballot was. And then now from there, we'll have to pick the winner. So we have number 1, Chege Kariuki Mwangi. He has a total of 67 votes. Makofi kwake. Now we have Kagera Eunice Wanjiro. She garnered 259. We have Kariuki Joseph Gishui. He got 1,356. Then we have Kariuki Rashid Iregi. He got 47. Now we have got Maruko James Kariuki. He garnered 642. Then now we have Guru John Joroge. He got 18. We have Dungu Anton Kirori. He got 296. Now we have Dungu George Koimbori. He got 12,159. Now then we have Dungu Kenneth Gashuma. He got 1,091. We have got Waititu Susan Jerry. She has 5,746. Then we have the last person here is Zulu Julius Yongo. He got 181. So, out of the numbers that we have here, all of us went to school, isn't it? And the operator is assigned that is called greater than, isn't it? So, the highest number that we have is 12,159. That is written against the name Dungu George Koimbori. Okay then. Now, if this person is there, I don't know him, he'll have to come and identify himself with an ID. Now I can confirm that we do have an ID that matches the ID that I have on the certificate here, which is 1283371. So, now the constituted returning officer hereby declares that George Koimbori Dungu, ID number 1283371, has been duly elected as a member of National Assembly for Juja constituency in the election held on 18th day of May 2021. Signed by the constituency returning officer, Justus Mutiso Mbidi, on 19th day of May 2021. So that's your entry. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Java.
George